Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't send messages or screenshots on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're trying to press the PlayStation button, then go down to your game base and send a message to someone or maybe even screenshot, and it's not working, there are some easy solutions to try to go ahead and get this to work. Now to fix this, go on down to where it says download/uploads on the quick menu. Then use the D-pad and then go to your uploads. And then delete everything under here, press X on it and go to cancel and delete. So let's cancel everything out of here and then try resending the video clip or screenshot or message and see if it goes through. Now, if you do not use the PlayStation phone app, I would just turn off the auto upload so you don't get any more of those errors when you're uploading. So let's go to settings and then go to captures and broadcasts. And then go to captures and go to auto upload and just turn this off. So you won't get any of those errors when you go ahead and edit one of your video clips or something like that. Now let's back out here and go to the main setting menu as well. And let's go to users and accounts and then go to other and then go on over to where it says sign out. And sign out of your PlayStation account. And you'll need your password and email address to sign back in. But if there's something where your messages simply are not loading, this should go ahead and fix that for you. Also, you could try going to power and completely turning off your PlayStation 5 for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And close all the games and apps and turn off your PS5. Then turn it back on and see if this works. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.